ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನಿಕರ.
Hello and welcome to India Today. I am Sanjay Ponappa with Maruti Acharya. Today I am in Bengaluru's Brinda Theatre and Kicha Sudeep's Mark is going to release on Christmas, that is 25th December, but all the fans have already gathered here to celebrate his arrival already on Christmas Eve. First of all, let's talk to all the fans. Let's see what they have to say about this, why they are already starting to celebrate the superstar's arrival. Why are you already starting to celebrate Sudeep's arrival?
Because most of the times our superstar is not so confident that he will release his film on it, like ಮೂರ್ತ ದಿನ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 25ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he is the first superstar in India to get 101 cutouts in a single theatre, and this is a milestone.
And what are you expecting out of Mark?
Nothing, something special, that's it. We don't have high expectations, we don't want high satisfaction or something. We just need something to celebrate, and we are 100% confident that this film will do its mark.
Okay. Tell me, what is it about Sudeep that attracts you to him so much?
His voice and his kind of being attitude, like that.
Okay. And which is your favorite film of his?
Musanje Matu. Yeah.
Why?
Because I like the like his acting in that.
How excited are you for Mark?
Fully excited. Yeah.
You tell me, what about Sudeep is attractive?
His dressing sense.
Dressing sense?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Which of his films is your favorite?
Eager.
Eager?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. And what about Mark? What are you expecting from it?
Kind of excited more. We'll see what happens tomorrow.
What about you?
I like his voice, the way he walks and the style I like. Most of the time he will be giving the like speech to others, teaching them how to go in the good way. I like that about him.
You like that about
Yeah.
him? And what is his favorite film?
Favorite film? Just Matali.
And from Mark, what are you expecting?
Actually, this is my third time coming for tomorrow, first day, first show. The event is going well. Tomorrow it will be a blast.
Sir, what we are creating today, 101 cutouts, it's an old record we are doing here. And why I became the Sudeep fan means his motivational speeches, that is the most inspiration to us. And my favorite movie of Kicha Sudeepa is Manikya.
Can you give me one dialogue of Sudeep's?
ತೊಂದರೆಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಆ ದೇವ್ರು ಕೈ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಕೈ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Amazing, thank you. Attracted to Sudeep.
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಮಗೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅವ್ರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ನು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸು, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸು ಒಪ್ಪಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ತಿಳಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Sudeep sir is like a godfather to us. His aura, his swag is something which doesn't like other actors, or we respect other actors, but the swag or the attitude or the aura that he has, it's the next level. So I'm his fan.
Nothing to say. Which is your favorite film of his?
My favorite film is Kempegoda. The police character he has carried over in this film was top notch, and many officers are inspired by that film. So I like the film.
Did you watch the Mark trailer? What did you think? What are you expecting from the film?
Mark trailer is something that our hero has promised us on July 5th that he will deliver this film on the Christmas. So we are now promising him that we will take his movie to the level that none had been imagined. So after looking at the trailer, one thing I want to say is box office na ಹೊಡೆದೇ ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ.
Thank you.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಪೈರಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಸು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹುಬ್ಳಿಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಗುರು, ಏನೋ ಅಂದಿದ್ರು, ಏನಂತ ಕಿಂಗು ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ಚಿರತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಗಣನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೊಲನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಆನೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಾಡಿನ ರಾಜ ಯಾರು? ಆ ಸಿಂಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು? ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಉತ್ತರ. ಅದು ಆನೆನೇ ಬರಲಿ, ಗಜಪಡೆನೇ ಬರಲಿ.
Very evidently, a lot of fans are sort of frustrated with whatever controversial developments happened in the recent time. But irrespective of that, they are totally excited for Mark's arrival in the theatre. They are all very excited for Kicha Sudeep's arrival in the theatre. So, what do you have to say? Kicha Sudeep? Yes, that is the voice. So that was the whole celebration of Mark's arrival at the theatres. As you can see, the big cutout is also up there. There's a lot of other cutouts. The fans have hoisted 101 cutouts of Kicha Sudeep over here, making him and claiming him to be the only superstar with 101 cutouts just before the film's release. This was the celebration of Mark, and the film is releasing tomorrow morning at 6 in the morning. That's why all the fans are dispersing for now, so that they can come back here as early as 5 a.m. in the morning and start the celebrations once again. We'll be there to cover the early morning film as well. Our review of the film will also be out on the channel. For that, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. With Maruti Acharya, I am Sanjay Ponappa and you're watching India Today.